Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today we're going to be swapping out the Focus ST's stock air filter with an aftermarket high flow air filter. Check it out. So there's quite some debate as to why you would want to install a cone filter or pod filter in your car. Because some people say they work, some people say they don't. But the only reason we are doing it today is to get some more of those great turbo noises. So let's do it. Okay, let's check what the ST sounds like with the stock filter before we put in the aftermarket filter. Okay, let's start with opening up the airbox. It's a 7mm, there's 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple. I'm gonna open it up and check what's inside. Removing the stock filter is quite easy. It basically just pops in. It's got a little lip, and on this side it's just held down. So what you want to do is push it in and forward and it pops right out. So putting in the aftermarket filter is just as easy as removing the stock one. We're going to utilize this little lip I was talking about. So the aftermarket filter is basically going to slip right over that and we're going to tighten it down. And that's basically it. We're going to go for a more OEM look. And we're gonna put the cover back on. That way, when you open up the bonnet, you can't see that anything looks different. Although there is gonna be an opening on the side here where the old filter used to be. It's gonna let in a lot more air. If you want to go ahead and remove this whole box and you want the filter exposed, you can go ahead and remove these. There's a bolt down there and one over here. And this is gonna loosen up this little pipe which the air flow sensor is connected to, and that way you can remove the whole air box and have your aftermarket filter just sitting freely without the whole air box in the way. There we go. That was pretty quick and easy. So let's check what the ST sounds like now with the aftermarket filter in there. Well, that's quite nice. You can definitely hear the turbo a lot more. And even when you're driving, you get hard on the boost and you let off, you get that nice turbo dumping noise, which everybody likes. Well, most of us likes, people with turbo cars, I suppose. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and I will see you guys on the next one. See ya.